Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Okay, are you having this problem like I'm having, where you go to your Cadillac, you go to start it and your battery's dead, you charge it up, next day it's dead again, you charge it up, next day it's dead again? Chances being, if that's happening over and over again, you probably have a parasitic draw or a short that's drawing power from the battery even though it's turned off. If you watch my first video, it'll tell you a few different ways how to find shorts. If you've gone through all that and still can't find the short, I want to share with you something that I found out. But what I did is I checked all the fuses that were in the engine compartment to make sure that those were all good. I did take some readings to see if I was getting a parasitic draw. If you don't know how to do that, there's tons of videos that shows you how to do that. So I did that in the front, found out there's some fuses in the back of the trunk, and that's described in my other video. So I checked all those. If I know I'm driving the car every day, I don't have a problem. But if I don't start the car for 3 days, the battery dies. So if I know I'm not going to drive the car for more than 3 days, I just turn off the battery. And that's been working really good. But I stumbled on this video, and what I found out is this guy has this video on the problem that I have. Okay, let's go in the back seat here. And it's right here in the back seat. You're gonna have to take the seats out. There's a comfort fuse for your body control module. There's also a relay for it also. He explains that when you turn off your car, the computer is programmed to stay on for about 15 minutes. And the computer tells the car to completely shut off. Well, what happens is for some reason the computer comes back on and tells the car to turn back on again. And it turns on all the accessories in the car. And that's where it draws your power, and that's why your battery dies. He shows you the 2 wires that you splice into, and you can install a kill switch. He runs the wires through the side to the front, and you put the switch in this area. He shows you how to do this. Now, if you don't want to put the switch, you can find another computer and replace it, but hopefully that computer doesn't have a problem, so you may or may not go through a few computers. Anyway, I heard a lot about this, and I heard a lot on forums, the infamous parasitic draw, so I believe this is probably going to solve your problem. I already installed a kill switch in my car, but I have to go to the engine to work it, and for right now that's okay with me. Maybe later on I'll put a kill switch inside the car. If you want to check out that video, I left the link at the bottom of the description. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!